Hello friends, I am Professor Sunil Laudia, belongs to Electronics and Communication Engineering Department of Marwadi University. In this presentation we are going to discuss about 2-bit ripple up counter for positive edge trigger flip-flop, and this topic is going to cover for digital electronics subject. Let's understand this topic by considering checker flip-flop. Two checker flip-flops are there, both are connected with each other. Output of the first flip-flop Q1 bar is applied as clock input for the second flip-flop. In this one, we have to consider the two situations, present state and clock. Based upon that one, we are going to find the next state. So let's assume initial present state of Q1 and Q2 both are 0, 0. Q1 and Q2 are 0, 0. And we are assuming that the applied clock value, that is also to be 1. In this one, as per the truth table of JK flip-flop, output of Q1, that is going to be 1, and Q1 1 bar will convert to the 0. 0 is applied as clock input for the second flip-flop. In this situation, Q2 that become 0. So for clock value 1, present state is 0, 0, and then next state becomes 0, 1. So right now this next state is applied as present state for the clock value 1. In that one, as per the basic truth table of checker flip-flop, output of the Q1 that will be 0 and Q1 bar that will be 1. So 1 is applied as clock input for the second flip-flop. So output of the Q2 that becomes the 1 here. So for 0, 1 it is going to convert to the 1, 0. Now this 1, 0 is applied as present state for the third situation for clock value 1. In that one, Q1 value that become 1 here and Q1 bar that will become 0. The 0 is applied as clock input for the second JK flip-flop. So Q2 that become 1 here. So 1, 0 is going to convert to the 1, 1 for clock value 1. So now this 1, 1 is behave as present state for the particular clock value 1, and that one output of Q1 that will be 0. Q1 1 bar that will become the 1 here, and 1 is applied as clock input for the second flip-flop. So output of Q2 that will be 0 here. Now we will discuss the same thing by considering the timing diagram, and we try to prove that whether both are similar or not. Now as this counter is enabled by the positive trigger edge, so initially Q1 and Q2 both value we are considered as 0, 0. Whenever the first positive clock will applied here, the 0 level will change to the 1. So for 0, 0 it is going to convert to 0, 1. So initially both 0, 0 level is going to convert to 0, 1. Now when next positive upside will comes, at that time level of the Q1 is again going to be changed from 0 to 1 here. So new level will be 1, 1. As per the table also we can find out the same level we are achieving 1, 1 here. The same level is again remain as it is till the next positive upside will comes here for the clock side. So at that time the 1 level is again going to be changed to 0, and this one is also going to be changed to 0. So for 1, 1 it is going to change to the 0, 0. So we find out that both table as well as the timing diagram both are similar to each other. You may contact on the given email ID or phone number for any doubt. Thank you. Please subscribe this video and like this video.